880 hertz, that constitutes an octave. Why we hear octave? Why does the A note repeat itself? And you have to shade the upper part of the line in a lighter shade, and you have to shade the lower part of the line when it doubles. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this in music, you have to study physics, right? Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive. You have to take psychopathology, power psychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream, a number of